It's a Friday afternoon here at the New York Stock Exchange. The weekend, it's almost here. Stocks, they're well on the upside, and it's time to get it all started early. It's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're soon going to be closing, and traders and myself, we're ready to get out of here and have ourselves a drink. It's time for an early Friday happy hour here in the Big Apple. U.S. stocks higher this Friday afternoon on this, the last trading day of the month of January. This after the Bank of Japan unexpectedly adopted a negative interest rate policy. But first, we talk about domestic data. Chicago PMI showing a 55.6 read in January, beating expectations calling for a 45 print and also above December's 42.9 read. We also had consumer sentiment coming in at 92 for January. However, the markets waking up today on the back of the Bank of Japan's surprise announcement of negative interest rate policy. And as expected, a move to lift the markets did exactly that, as the Nikkei reversed mild losses early to close up 2.8%. Even China ending higher to close out the week, the Shanghai Composite up 3.09%. Meanwhile, the U.S. dollar rising to trade more than 1% higher this afternoon. Gold is lower on profit taking. Crude is seeing yet another rebound on production cut speculation, and advanced GDP saw a 0.7% rise. You combine all of that together and you have yourself a session right now where 6 stocks are on the upside for every decliner here at the big board. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this trading session and week as well. On the corporate front, Microsoft beating on both the bottom and top lines, helped by improvement in its cloud services business, as well as cost cutting, and Facebook extending yesterday's stellar gains to hit a record intraday high once again. And with that stated, we end on a sports note, as we always do on Friday. There is no NFL this weekend, and yes, the Pro Bowl does not count. The NHL All-Star Game is this Sunday. John Scott, you belong there. Chelsea versus MK Dons and the League Cup this Sunday morning as well. Chelsea should capture that. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink, stay warm, and hopefully you don't have to shovel as well. For ModernWallStreet.com saying I'll see you guys all on Monday morning, I'm James Sweeney.